You hungry? What are you barking at? What? I'm barking. You just have to wait.
What are you barking at?
Looking at me? You hungry? You hungry? Well, I'll give you some bacon in a little bit. Wait. Wait, and I'll give you some in a little bit. Well, Dad's not going to get bacon. You're not going to get bacon in it. No, you can't have any. You want some bacon? You want some bacon? Well, if you get some, your sister has to have some too. Here. Stop your barking, okay? Give him a minute, he'll do it again.
Good boy.
What do you want?
Good boy.